gut health resets. 4 foods to fix bloating in 1 week. Are you constantly dealing with bloating, low energy, or brain fog? I was too, until I found something different. 5 foods to fix bloating in 1 week. Believe me, the result was amazing. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing what I ate and how it boosted my digestion and my mood through the powerful gut brain connection. Welcome back to my channel. This is Living Healthy with Kathy, and on this channel we share everything that has to do with health, how to live a super healthy and beautiful life. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of our life-changing health videos. Now let's dive in. One of the food that you can eat that help my gut health is probiotics yogurt. Taking a little of this every morning can help you in a great way. Believe me, the difference in digestion is top notch. You need that, so get it. It will help you take care of bloating. And what does probiotic yogurt do to your body? To restore and balance the gut microbiome, which naturally help to reduce bloating and also send calming signal to your brain to calm down and relax. And you remember, health, gut, happy mind. So food number 2, ginger tea. Have you heard about it before? Have you taken it? Have you used it? Now this is the beauty of ginger tea. Taking a fresh ginger tea every morning can help you in a great way. What does ginger tea do to your body? Taking ginger tea helps to move food smoothly through your digestive tract and thereby reducing inflammation and bloating. When you start taking ginger tea, within days you start noticing less bloating and you are having more focus to living your healthy life. Number 3 food that you need to eat that will help to reduce bloating is what? Leafy green. Leafy green. These are veggies like spinach. Taking all of this helps you to keep you bloat free every single day. Now, what does this leafy green contain? It contains they are high in fiber. They have probiotics organisms that helps to feed the good bacteria in your gut. The more balanced your gut, the less bloating that you tend to have. And when you have more balanced gut and less bloating, it gives room for your gut to produce serotonin to help you live a super happy life, which is the chemical that controls your mood. What is serotonin? This is a chemical messenger in your brain and body that helps to regulate your mood, your sleep, your appetite, digestion, and other function in your body. It is often called the feel good chemical. So, and one of the things that helps it is taking of leafy green. Super healthy life. Number 4 food that you can eat that will help you to fix bloating is what? Papaya. Heard about it before? Very, very good. Very, very important in fixing what? Bloating. The more of this you take, the less bloating you tend to suffer. Now, taking this papaya contains enzymes like papain that breaks down protein and aids digestion in the body. Having papaya as a snack every day can help keep you bloat free and keep you on high energy level. I know you love this. So I'll just quickly recap all that I've just said, and we just be calling it a day today. Now, what are these foods that can help to fix bloating in 1 week? Number 1, I said probiotics, yogurts, ginger tea, leafy green, papaya. Taking each of these every day can keep you bloat free and can help you transform your gut health, and in just 1 week making you feel lighter, clearer, and what, more focused. I know I've given you value. Have you liked this video? Kindly like this video, hit the subscribe button, and you will get in all our videos whenever we have them. And for all our returning subscribers, you are super wonderful. I celebrate you. Thanks for always being there. God bless you. And because you have seen this today, I know we are all heading for a bloat-free, week. So congratulations. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. God is in this story.